Hi, this is Jojo from Sneaker Lab, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your Suede sneakers. We have our hands on a pair of Suede Vans Sport, which we will walk you through how to clean. Start by prepping your shoes by giving the sneakers a dry brush to remove any excess dirt. Remove the laces before we begin cleaning, as we will wash the laces separately later on. Use our sneaker wipes to remove any surface level stains and scuffs to prepare for the deep clean. With Suede sneakers, we suggest doing most of the cleaning with sneaker wipes, as this will be extremely effective and won't harm the material. You can then spray your sneaker with our sneaker cleaner, making sure not to oversaturate the suede. With our premium brush, scrub in one direction to avoid damaging the suede, while also letting our sneaker cleaner do the trick. Now, we will give the midsoles of the shoes a deep clean. Spray the sneaker cleaner on your midsoles and fill a small cup with water and wet the bristles of your brush. Scrub your midsoles, focusing on heavily dirtied areas. Once you've done that, you can move down to the soles. Wipe down your sneaker cleaner with a microfiber towel to partially dry them off and set them aside to dry. Time to clean your laces. Give your laces a good couple of sprays with our sneaker cleaner and rub them together between your hands. Dip them into a cup of water and continue this process until your laces are well saturated. Wring them out with your fingers and set aside. Allow both your sneakers and laces to dry overnight. Once your laces and shoes are dry, lace back up your sneakers. Now that your shoes are clean, it's time to protect them. Spray the inside of your sneakers with our odor protector to prevent unwanted smells from reappearing, and then spray a liberal amount of sneaker protector to the upper, about 15 to 20 sprays per sneaker. Set them aside for 24 hours to allow the sneaker protector to fully dry and the odor protector to work its magic. This will allow your sneakers to stay looking fresher for longer before needing another clean. And that was our step-by-step guide on how to clean your Suede sneakers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our social media platforms to stay tuned for more sneaker-related content from Sneaker Lab.